my other twin. Oh, it's not where. Oh, what's that guy? Stop! Yo. Ooh, my screen. No, my tablet's actually where you can't see because it's kind of hard to see. Okay, look at this. Android Auto 29. Okay, let's put it. Whoa, what's this? Why?
This one.
This one.
Oh, the second one.
What are you doing? Finally!
What are you doing? Handle to the off.
Okay. Why? To put it here? You need to plug it in. Do Android Auto is easier.
Then you have to always hook it up.
Yeah, always. Oh, never mind. It didn't. Android Auto didn't know. Hurry up. Android Auto. Turn on Android Auto. Oh, how did you do that? Tap home button? Like this? Oh. Oh, okay. Also, coming in first day. Go. I need to play for the rest of the day. Android Auto tune on. Giovanna Sankuma. Ooh. Oh, okay. Mama here. Yo, it's a white screen. Recording. My gosh. My gosh. Look at the sky. Oh, whoa. I don't know where it is.